Hello everyone, it's Paula and I have a special guest. My lovely wife Jo has agreed to be my model today. And what we're going to show you is the simplicity of using Seint makeup. It's one palette and one brush, which makes it very easy and simple to apply. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have four colors that we start with. We have a highlight main color, we have a brightener, we have a contour, and then a lip and cheek. So we'll first start with applying the contour, which is the darkest color. And what you want to do is feel along your cheekbone. So it's going to go right along, right underneath that cheekbone. And you want to keep it high. You don't want to bring it into the apple of your cheek, just keep it right before then. Then along the forehead, and then to contour your jawline, you want to go right, you want to feel underneath your jawbone. You don't want to bring it up above, but down below, right along that jawline. Underneath the chin. And then to contour the nose, you can bring it right along the bridge of your nose. Okay, and then I'll do the other side. Again, on the forehead, turn a little bit. Here we go. Right along that cheekbone, starting from the hairline and then down. Hi Tina Marie, so good to see you. And then right underneath the jaw. Okay. All right, then we're going to apply the brightener, which goes around the eyes. And her brightener color is Goddess, which is this color right here. Close your eyes. So you're applying it on the outside of your eye, the inside, the center of your nose, the center of your forehead, of the lip, under the chin. So what we're doing is we're highlighting everything in the center of the face. Okay? And then for the main highlight, her main highlight is called Icon, which is this color right here. What you're going to do is apply it in the areas where you haven't applied any makeup. Okay, so we're not layering the foundation as you normally would with a liquid foundation. And that's the beauty of this makeup, is that you can apply it only where you need it, and you only need a little bit. So you're going to tap it. Here, above the eyebrows, in the center. Okay, look towards, there you go. Then, after you've applied everything, you're going to use your three-dimensional brush. This end is a little bit slanted so that you can get into those narrow areas around your eyes, your nose. And then the flat area is for more of the overall face. And these brushes are amazing. They're very condensed. They're made specifically for the cream makeup. What contour did I use on her? Tina is asking. We used Indigo. It's very pretty. And what's great about these colors, you can use them as eyeshadows. So then, once you have everything applied, you're going to start with the lighter colors, and you're going to use a stippling motion, which is a tapping. We don't want to swipe it because then you'll be wiping the makeup off and it will have a stripe effect to it. So you're just going to tap lightly where you put the brighter color first. Go to chin, turn towards me a little more, around the eye area. Just to brighten up the face a little bit. So what we're doing is creating more dimension with this makeup. So your face won't look flat. The colors won't look flat. And again, it's a stippling motion, so you're just lightly tapping. Then the next lighter color is her main color, which is called Icon. We've applied it on along the jawline here, the chin, above the lip, and you're just tapping. And what's great about this makeup too is when you apply it, it will warm up and it will easily spread throughout your skin. Above the eyebrows, just tap, tap and blend, and again, you don't need a lot. And then lastly, we will blend in the contour areas because it is the darkest. Actually, let me use this end here. And when you're stippling this, you want to go up into the hairline along the cheekbone. And then into the hairline. There we go. And again, the contour is just adding a little more dimension to your face. As we contour, it's darker, so it's going to make those areas recede. When we add the brightener and the highlight, of course, it's going to brighten and bring those areas forward. Okay, and then underneath the chin, again, now you want to make sure that you're really blending this well, because otherwise, when you go out in the sun, it won't look right. So it's really, really important that you blend, bring it all the way down the neckline. And it's just creating that nice shadow that's going to give you that definition. Look how beautiful she looks. Then we're going to add a lip and cheek. And what's great about this is that you can also use it as an eyeshadow. The color that we chose today, this is called Rosewood, which is this color here. And again, you only need a little bit. Turn towards me. And you want to apply it right up above where we applied the contour. I don't know if you can see that. I might have to go a little bit darker. You only need a little bit. Turn to the side. Usually just 3 dots is enough. For the lips, like this. There we go. And then I'm going to show you that you can apply it to the eyelids too. Go ahead and close your eyes. This is a real pretty fall look. The rusts, the browns, the golds. Okay, open. Now we're going to stipple, blush, again keeping it up, bringing it down just a little bit. Open your eye. There we go. The other way. Bring that up. And there you have it. Look how natural and beautiful that is. I love it. Oh, thank you, Tina. Appreciate that. So Tina says she wears Goddess and Nutmeg right now as her main because she's tan and Lebanese. Beautiful. I love it. And that's the look that I just wanted to show you how easy it is to use this makeup. I know a lot of you women, I've done color matches on you, and I've suggested other colors, but you really only need to start with a 4 palette and 1 brush. It's as simple as that.